Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a chat assignment timeout in LiveChat. All right, so first up, you got to log into your LiveChat account and go to the left panel. Now click on Settings. Okay, click on it. Now once done, in this panel, just go ahead over to Chat Settings. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on Chat Assignment. Okay. Once that's done, as you can see here, by default, it is auto-assigned. Chats are evenly distributed among agents with accepting chat status. And when all agents hit their limit, new visitors are queued. Okay. And by default, the value is typically 15 minutes for agent's idle status. Okay. But it is adjustable. Just go ahead and click on manual right here. And as you can see, it says all agents get notified about a customer waiting in the queue. Chat will be assigned to the first agent who picks it up. Now, if you want that, you can go ahead and click on Save Changes. Okay. Now, click on Inactivity Timeouts right here in the left panel. Now, just basically locate the rule you want to adjust. For example, if you want to change when an agent status becomes away, maybe due to inactivity, right here, as you can see, when there are no new messages in the chat for 10 minutes, make that chat inactive. You can go ahead and change this manually, as I've said earlier, like so. And when there are no messages in the chat for 15 minutes, close the chat. Okay. Or 10 minutes, 10. And when the agent is not responding for 3 minutes, for example, transfer the visitor to another agent. Okay. So for chat supports, 3 to 5 minutes is the sweet spot. If you want to change that to 5, you can go ahead and do so and click on Save Changes. That is it. That is how you change a chat assignment timeout here in LiveChat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.